2K subs. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I know 2K doesn't sound like a lot, but for me, I really just do this on the side as a hobby. I post maybe one video a week with the time I have. Without you guys, I would have one follower myself. So I really appreciate 2K and thank you guys. So a brief history on why I started the channel. It was actually when I first got the STI. I was looking at a bunch of videos on just modding the car, things I could do to it. And when I was watching these channels, I was like, you know what? This looks like a good idea. I used to have an SRT4. There was a lot I did to it and I never really recorded anything. I barely have pictures of it. And I felt like I didn't want to make that mistake again. So I decided to start the channel when I got the car. So this is a 2017 STI. I started in January 2017. It was a few weeks after I got the car. And I figured why not just grab a GoPro and record everything I do to the car. I was gonna do things to the car regardless, so I figured why not throw a camera on while I'm doing it. And when I first started making videos, there were literally no talking, just me recording music over it and some text. I wanted something I could look back on in the future when I'm older, just to kind of see the whole progress, see the car, even show my kids, and just reminisce on, I guess. But at the same time, seeing all your comments and all the help I've been giving you guys through the videos really makes me appreciate it even more and enjoy it. I'm glad that I can help a lot of people while I'm recording this progress. So now that I'm done with my master's degree, I have more time to post more videos. The thing is that I don't have enough parts to really make a video all the time on the car, so I'm trying to think of other ways of filling in that time between I'm doing something to the car. I do have the front mount intercooler from Cobb, the flex fuel kit on the way, so we will be having videos on that. Also plan on getting the headers, up pipe, wastegate. So we're trying to break up all those into videos to really give you detailed videos with WR experts. But when I don't have parts or anything to do the car, I feel like there's some downtime. And with that downtime, I figured I might as well live stream some games. So if there's any of you gamers out there that also enjoy that, make sure to check out the stream. I have a playlist for all my live streams. I didn't want the video section of my channel getting flooded with all these live streams. So what I do is I just move it to a playlist called live stream. So if you ever want to check those out, go ahead. I live stream often, usually at night. So make sure to come by and say what's up. Now I do have some extra wrap from when I did the roof. So I may use some of this to do these little side mirrors. I'm trying to think of what else I could do just to kind of make some content. If I don't like it, I could always take it off. But just trying to think of ideas of what I could do to really put more content out there for you guys. I might try doing some discussion videos on topics about the car. But yeah, or maybe even some features on other people's cars. So if you're in the South Florida area, let me know. Maybe we can make a video. Also talk to WR experts. Hopefully they're gonna be going to the track soon and maybe I can come also. So there might be some content there of us at the track. So there's a lot in the future. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And once again, thank you guys so much for all the support. This is just a hobby for me. So, you know, getting famous or whatever off this, even if I don't, I really don't care because I really enjoy helping everyone else out and also just documenting it for myself. And met a lot of great people doing this too, from the guys at WR Experts and just other people hitting me up on Instagram or at the car meets. It's been honestly a joy. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn that bell notification on. And I'll see you guys on the next one.